This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make radish bread or mooli ka paratha. Scrape 2 radishes weighing about 250 grams. Wash, grate and keep aside. Chop around 25 grams radish leaves and keep aside. Add 1 tablespoon oil to a pan. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. Add washed and strained radish leaves. Stir fry till its water dries up. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin or zeera powder. Add 2 whole green chillies diced. Add grated radish. Stir fry till its water is dried and till the oil separates. Take 250 grams all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl. Add cooked radish. Mix well and then gradually add water to form a thick consistency dough. For this you may require about 80 to 100 ml water. Knead the dough and divide into 7 equal portions. Using required amount of flour, roll out into a flat, round bread. Add this flattened bread to a preheated pan. When it's 1/4 cooked, flip and cook the other side. Add about 1 teaspoon clarified butter or pure ghee to the flipped side. Turn again and add clarified butter to this side as well. Cook till you see brown spots on both the sides. Take out and serve hot either with dahi ka raita or any chutney or pickle of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.